Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable connection, an updated app or browser, and low background load. First, switch to a wired connection if possible. This reduces packet loss and jitter. Once done, run a quick speed test to see Mbps and latency numbers. Make sure to close heavy apps and pause downloads because CPU and bandwidth contention causes buffering. Restart the YouTube app or refresh the page to apply updates. That often fixes streaming glitches immediately. Next, you tackle middle phase fixes. Optimize streaming settings and network behavior. Lower playback quality to 720p or 480p when bandwidth is limited because fewer bits means smoother playback. Then, change your DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 or 1. 1, 1. 1 to reduce lookup delays. It speeds connection setup. If multiple devices compete, disconnect unneeded ones or enable router co-s to prioritize streaming traffic. Finally, you verify and finalize fixes by isolating the root cause. Try playing the same video on another device or in a different browser to see if the issue is local. If it works elsewhere, focus on your device. Update router firmware and device drivers because outdated drivers cause hardware-level buffering. If nothing helps, reboot the router and, as a last resort, factory reset it. If problems persist after all steps, use the one key tip: record error times and contact support with measurements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.